No.
Hey! Are you recording?
Yeah.
Recording.
Cake.
There, man. Which one would you like to?
Ooh. Any?
Mango?
Yeah, I'll have mango.
Wow, diva. Yay! Man, you try.
Mango.
Wow, diva.
This one, this pistachio one is Ali's.
Okay.
Ali's. Oh, thank you so much, guys.
You're so cute. Ah, look how cute you are. Is he getting plates?
I don't know. Anyway, thank you. Just make some tea now. And then have my cakes. Thank you. नहीं चाय बनाती हूँ ना चाय बनाओ ना मेरे टाइम का ख्याल नहीं था हाँ आज जो भूख खाएगी नहीं अभी
नहीं आपके हाथ से खाएगी ये ना आप दे देना नहीं तो बग्गी तो खा ही लेगी अपने बर्थडे का केक
Wow, what is all this?
Do the lights normal actually. Yeah, on the light. And then on it again.
Surprise!
I can see Chanel there.
Wow.
Alien there. Ooh, and money there.
Money.
ले लें कि हम ले लें
When did you guys do this? I'm a bit confused. When did you do
नहीं
this?
because somebody sent this for you
Okay, well,
Johnny
let me... Yeah, Johnny. Hey, go, baby, go. Girls, do we give him letters? It's your birthday.
Yeah, I told him I was like, living room now, I've done it.
How? Who?
Obviously the girl sorted it out, but he did everything.
Oh, wow, he did it. Oh.
That's why you did
This is me, man, Arman.
I didn't even realize he done it, and then I swear I was whoa.
Did you do this? Thank you.
नहीं हमारी हम तीनों की तरफ से जान
सबकी तरफ से है.
Bro, I was, you know what I was doing standing there? I was just waiting.
Oh, I like this.
We saw that.
I need a birthday every day. I need a birthday every day now. Ooh,
That's
I
why I went into your room. I was trying to.
Honey, when did you do this? Really a surprise.
I just did set it, but he got everything.
How about this?
I was in your room trying to find the salad tip, but I didn't want to ask you. I just went and I quickly found one.
You should give a nice little smile with your presents. And you, Ayman.
I need a picture.
I've taken some pictures, but yeah.
I need a picture.
And everyone takes some.
You should.
You might be a few.
I'm surprised, you know.
You might be a few notes short.
Surprised me. And how did I not know this?
You had to taxi.
A couple of days ago when he went downstairs and he had like a big bag or something. And the other day that you were asking him about some website that you order on. Like a new website.
Don't know it.
My knees hurt.
मामा देखे ना खोले ना
I have to do a video first.
Feed the phone.
Goofy come out Goofa
That's why I was asking you. Don't put me in
Why
it.
not?
ये इसने मार के बनाया जानवर
अच्छा ये
Nice
सारा
लग
इमाम
रहा
ने
है,
किया.
I did this app.
Where did you get these petals
He
from?
got everything.
Well, I kind of need to give the shot, Ayman. I think you
And
should
what
give me the
she's
shot.
put it nicely.
Oh my god, recording now. He's going in her vlog.
Okay.
But I'm not in it, cause
नोट हम गिन लेते हैं सारे काउंट कर लें
What are you gonna open first? Oh.
Well, first, I'm getting my notes out.
I had to stick them on for presentation.
Okay, but yeah, you did a good job. The presentation was very good. Okay, so I have counted them, so they should not get missing, okay?
Money!
I'm very, this is gonna be.
ये क्या है? ओए होए
What? That's what she's meant to have.
I think it's good thing
No,
I
it
didn't
had
see
the
it.
Chanel thingy on, so I kept it in.
I have to open them.
You
Yeah.
have to open
You have
it.
to open these as well. Okay, let's open the bottles. Let's get Kim Kardashian one there as well.
Yeah, she came out with one. I don't think it has it on that.
हाँ नहीं there's
That's like
quantity on it
Yeah.
and that's it.
Got cherries on it at the back. Like the top to it.
Nice face.
नहीं ये वो नहीं था जो हमने समझा
You could order.
No, that just says what it basically is.
quantity और address लिखा हुआ
Okay, we'll see that later. I like my little flowers.
वो परफ्यूम कैसी थी लगाई आपने यूज की कैसी थी
It's not good.
अच्छा
Put down vintage.
We know which one you're excited to smell.
Okay, let me open the Khloe Kardashian one.
That's like a little one, but I think it's the same thing as that.
Let's
like
open the
a
miniature one. It's
ये
looking good
थोड़ी
video making.
मैंगोइश टाइप लग रही है कि मुझे लग रही है वैसी
No. It's like it's a little fruity.
ये देखिए ना
Oh yeah, I can smell it from here.
Hmm? Yeah, it's nice.
मैंगोइश
It smells kind of by Marc Jacobs, but it's more
a bit
fruity. Yeah.
Okay.
What are the notes? Doesn't say.
Okay, so here we.
ध्यान गाना भी आपका आ गया
Oh, the little one. It's so little. It's like, look at the box and look at it.
It's like a decorative little. Look careful.
Well, it's like the
Dapper
little
one.
one here. Can't smell it. That one's strong, so I can't smell this one. This one, yes, mini yes. It's like mini yes.
तो इसे करेंगे कि ये तो लिक्विड है इसमें
Yeah,
That's like glue in your bag if you need to top up.
Okay, it's nice. Something different, you know.
कैमरामैन तक गए जाने मारा
Okay, I'm gonna open the alien one. You're waiting for. Honey, you bought so many perfumes.
I'm jealous.
This one is like.
I'm not own.
I'm joking.
Don't worry, my room's right next door.
I know.
I'll be make sure you're using 100% of the stuff, you know.
Waste it in my hands, but.
Then ऐसे नहीं है ये देखिए नजर
You're ruining the top notes by rubbing it.
Oh, sorry. Top notes.
Can you tell me what the top notes are?
Is
on
this the one that you wanted?
What are the ones on the top notes are?
No.
Are you sure you don't want the gold one?
I want to smell it.
No, after
Why does it
little one.
stink?
Because the
So
gold
nice.
one's got coconut in and it's sweet.
Is it nasty? This
He
one.
doesn't like it.
I like
I
that.
don't like this
That's nice.
I like that, yeah.
Okay, you can put this
one.
one.
नहीं अभी ठीक है
After a little while, it
No, there is a gold one
guys,
that's
sorry, I
more
wanted to
sweeter.
check
It's got
this
like
out.
coconut and is fruitier.
हाँ वो वाला
I
है,
think
that's
it's
the
that
nice.
one.
Is
But
it
there's
sky
two.
blue?
maple.
No,
Apple.
no, it's like a gold bottle, but there's two different ones.
ये that's
She's open, so.
Real, she's gonna be applying her Chanel lip balm.
Give me a cool face, Simon.
Chance, by Chanel.
For the bag. Why is it in there? What colour then?
ये है मेहरूनिश.
I think that you that's the thingies that you get. It's this.
देख लो.
I think it's so funny when like men buy grannies and
Just
they're like
5
with the
minutes
lip
more.
balm, with the lipstick and lip balm. Okay.
It's like a beige
Yeah, the fingers moving.
मुझे नहीं पता ना अभी.
No, but that's just funny because like you both think like lipstick,
It's Rogue.
No.
rouge.
Rouge,
Yeah.
yeah, Rogue.
All
It's
color
like a
looks
nice balmy
same.
one.
मैं इंज देखिए सारे सेम मैं करना this one. Okay.
Okay, now let's see this one. Oh,
But I like black color, black lipstick. Gothic.
around the cameraman.
Email.
Nah, I just like
Oh, it's a Rogue.
black lipstick.
Oh, thank you, honey.
इसके ऊपर अब आपने परफ्यूम छिड़कना है ना.
Oh, it's a Rogue.
Imagine it like it's a.
I know.
Beauty and the Beast.
Oh yeah. Beauty and the Beast.
You're the beast.
लास्ट में हमने फिर एक गेम खेले. We're gonna play one game in like red light, green light.
I'm up for my video. Just keep it like that. Don't.
He's giving you the
too much.
cinematics.
No, I don't want the cinematics.
No more cinematics.
Well, you're not. You need to show what you're getting.
Oh. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I've got an earring for every day.
How about Saturday and Sunday?
Off days.
The chutti days. Okay. And then this is.
I have no idea.
And you bought too many perfumes.
हाँ ना जान परफ्यूम
Important.
सही है ना. Important है.
Important. Why smell that much?
I was just gonna say what you trying to say.
अच्छा मुझे भी बाद में जाके पता चला रियलाइज हुआ. मैं मैं परफ्यूम ही मंगवा ले सारे
Yeah,
ना.
when he was putting on the bed, it was one perfume. I was like, okay, nice. For the second one, I was like, nice. Then he went third one, I was like, okay. Then fourth one, I was like, okay.
नहीं मैं एक ऑर्डर कुछ और करना था लेकिन वो भी परफ्यूम का.
Purple lady.
Show it.
I don't know. You smell like I've got this much on so many, so I don't know.
Camera, can you smell?
It's like slight. These ones were fruity and they had the notes in thingy. Do I have to open this? We already know
Kind of
what
smells
this
like
is.
plum.
Let's open it. Yeah. Plum.
I don't know. Like,
I'll just open this bottle as well.
I don't know. I don't know.
सॉरी बेबी परफ्यूम ही थे सारे.
It's okay, honey. I like perfumes.
No, she's about to break her perfume.
रुको आ जाए तू भी.
Show it.
रुको ना आ जाओ.
Maybe a Kardashian.
परफ्यूम खा लिया.
Very plain.
Do you know what it kind of
Kardashian?
looks like? Do you know the Valentino, one of the Valentino bottles?
I've got
Yeah, now you do it. And see how it smells. Because you couldn't smell the other one proper. I don't know.
Just 2 more minutes.
Mm.
भाई उन्होंने भी देखो थक रहे हैं उन्होंने इंज ना करो.
get paid for
It
this.
smells kind of like shampoo-y.
Fresh.
Like shampoo.
हाँ.
Fresh,
Like-
fresh.
Like you're out of the
Soap,
shower and it's like
huh.
soapy or body wash and you can smell your shampoo.
Oh, this is for travel perfume or something. I don't know.
You guys, I love my presents. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Very nice.
My favorite.
Money, money, money.
Hanji, thank
Give a little poster thing.
It was really hard being the cameraman and having to sit on the floor. I couldn't get the best shots I wanted because I was on the floor. And I had someone who didn't want to be in the shot, so it was really difficult to take certain shots. And I think I should be getting paid minutely.
Okay. Oh, look, she's here.
Boy.
She got a bit
Oh my god, we got to put Pingu in. It was Pingu's birthday a couple of days ago.
Now.
I love you, Mommy.
Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you, Mom. Thank you, guys.
That's why, you know when you were coming in my room with the bottles, I was like saying, yeah, okay, I'll have the bottle, bye.
Oh, okay.
Like, it's hello.
I need to give her a celebratory hug.
My mommy! You know.
Mom's given me a beautiful gift as well, which we will enclose in the
What
next
you got, Armin?
vlog.
What did you get her?